And welcome. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how to claim rewards on Kahoot. So if you want to claim rewards on Kahoot, what you do is click on your profile icon at the top left corner, scroll down, and you're going to see Cyber Chase Claim Rewards. So click on it and you can see the ones you can claim. So I can claim this one, a new character. I can also claim this one. But for me to do this, I have to earn extra rewards with the season pass and gain access to more learning features. Unlock this reward with your season pass. So view subscription. You have to be any plan to get a season pass. So you have Kahoot Silver plan, you have Kahoot Gold plan, the amount is right there. Kahoot Silver plan, the amount is right there, and we have Kahoot Bronze plan, the amount is right there. So it's as simple as that. Once you subscribe to one of them, then you can claim this character because you get a season pass. So hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.